Network Entertainment.
Spit Manila.
Hey
Yes,
everybody,
Papu.
welcome back to another episode of
Tawa. Let's speed.
Ako po si Ariel.
Aaron.
Kara.
Happy.
Papu.
At nandito po tayo ngayon para ulit sa season na to kung saan we are trying out how to do things with improv in this season of podcast.
Yes.
In this
format.
season of podcast.
Seasons of Podcast.
At para po sa sa episode na to, tama ba, Kara?
Yes, Ariel.
Ay titingin tayo ng mga inihihingi ng payo ng mga kababayan natin sa tinatawag po nating
Advice
Advice
PH.
Oo. At hopefully, makapagbigay tayo. Ito po ay hindi naman po necessarily ekspertong advice, pero mula din po sa kaibuturan ng aming mga danas. And at some point, our master Shomai rapper, Shark's Fin,
Papu Sharks.
Papu Shark's Fin,
MC Sharks Fin.
will play the beat.
The bit.
Oo,
beat.
dahil hawak niya.
Ang bit.
Ang
Ang
hawak
beat.
niya.
Okay.
Ang beat. And somehow, we will be rapping our advice.
Yan. Okay. So, huwag na natin patagalin pa.
Yes.
Simulan na natin. Our advice, PH. Would you spill the beans if your career was on the line? So, ito yung kanyang problem. Ang problem ni Thick Asian 00. My colleagues are having an affair. They're both married, both with kids. The male colleague tells me pretty much everything that's happening to them in his words, not mine, because I'm his friend. Context number 2. Two workmates of mine are having an affair. The guy tells me stuff and sometimes asks me to do things for them. The problem now is HR is grilling me to tell what I know. If I don't cooperate and they find out that I'm conniving, I can be terminated.
Wow.
Previous attempts giving advice to... Oh, yan. If,
Okay.
So,
you
would
were
you...
in, if you were to spluk or to keep quiet.
Wow.
dahil sige, ako naman, batay dun sa context, as a context person
Yes.
sa aking strengths. Siyempre, depende sa context. Pero batay dun sa context na narinig natin, if you are on the line, especially your integrity is on the line, parang mas pipiliin ko yata yung integrity than the friendship. In that case. Kasi parang pwede magkaroon ng impact sa career ko in the future. Kasi kung ma-terminate din ako, hindi rin magandang
And is it really a
CV.
friendship if you if you put that
Right.
person in a compromised
Oo,
position?
ganda.
Na,
True.
'di ba? Parang binibigay mo lahat ng information sa kanya, you know that it's a risk sa career, and then kilala din niya yung pamilya mo and yung wife mo. Parang weird. Like, what klaseng friendship yan? And then asking you to connive, to be in connivance with you.
I would say pa nga na if they put you in that position, personally, even as a friend, I would want that friend to learn a lesson. And, whether that be me having to tell on them or them being outed all of a sudden through some, public, I don't know, it happens that suddenly ma-out na lang siya.
Susulat mo sa whiteboard. Ganun.
Yeah, diba? At least we were on the side of right. And then after all of it comes down, pwede mo sabihan yung kaibigan mo, mali naman talaga yung ginawa niyo. So, yeah, that's me.
And where does it end, right? I mean, kung tatakpan mo pa yung friend mo na yun, correct? It will just keep on going. Hindi yung lies, it will get bigger and dapat di ka nadamay.
Correct. It's very Evan Hansen.
At correct. Kumbaga kailangan mo ring may-draw, if siguro boundaries para sa sarili mo, but also boundaries ninyo ng kaibigan mo. And I think, para sa akin, baka ang isang actionable choice ay kausapin ko rin yung friend na yun na ganito yung kalagayan ko, ganito yung nalagay natin yung sarili natin sa ganitong posisyon at dito ko idodraw yung line para sa sarili ko. Si Papu ba? Si Shark's Fin. Oo, ikaw.
Fish,
Oh.
marami kang
Oh,
ano.
parang
Shark's Fin.
I think in the context of work, hindi naman kasi talaga kayo friends eh. Magkatrabaho lang kayo eh. So parang
Ito, tama
save
yun.
yourself.
Tama
Not
yun.
all work friends are friends.
Yes.
Saka kung
Totoo
ganun
naman.
yung friend mo, parang hindi, kung ganun yung values ng friend mo, bakit mo siya friend? Hindi niya deserve.
Pero you know, this is very yung easier said than done. To me,
Yeah.
I'm interested in the
Yes.
how. Like, paano ba? Are you gonna drop it on the Slack channel as an anonymous member? Are you gonna Microsoft Teams? Alam mo yon? Parang magsusulat ka ba ng gamit ang lipstick ng asawa niya sa
Sa
whiteboard?
HR lang naman.
Oo.
Parang in-escalate mo. Okay na to just tell HR, tas bahala na sila. Na-escalate masyado yung
Escalate.
ginawa mo. Medyo tinaas mo yung stakes. Sabi nila, just make sumbong to HR. But no, what you wanna do is wrong. You wanna put it on the Slack channels. You wanna put it on a Facebook page. I don't know why you're the only one who's feeling all this rage. Yeah, di ba dapat silang dalawa ang hindi na dapat magtago? Pero ang ginawa mo, medyo gago. Word. Word.
Yup.
Narinig nyo naman, Diyos ko. Parang taas talaga ng, sabi mo nga,
Tinaas
mo ang
ang
stakes eh, Ari.
Correct eh.
Tinaas mo ang stakes, pati
Correct
yung
eh.
mga beat mo, parang hindi namin. Ikaw ang may hawak ng beat.
Siya ang may hawak ng
Shark's Fin and Japanese Shomai in the house. Oo.
So, agreed.
Agreed. Yeah.
No,
So, yun lang
agreed is
pala.
fluk.
Fluk mo na
Agreed.
yan.
Generally, ang line natin ay
So,
fluk.
i-email mo lang HR, ganun.
Or if
Or
they
over
call
a
in the
call.
office. diba?
Face-to-face.
Ako naman ang caveat ko ay kausapin mo rin si friend na ganito ang sitwasyon natin na. So
Tino ka.
oo. At baka at I am on the verge of spluking it.
Totoo.
Splook, skinny, splook.
Actually, I have a personal story about that. I actually had a friend who was seeing someone who had a girlfriend. And we were telling this person for a long time, tigilan mo na yan, hindi niya iiwan yung girlfriend niya para sa'yo. Tapos ayaw niyang makinig. So me and my other friends were looking for the email address of the girlfriend. Kasi we were already at that point na she's not listening to us and alam natin na this isn't good for anybody.
Yeah.
So this has been going on for so long.
So, bibigay ko rin yung advice sa'yo. Ba't mo pa in-escalate? Saan nagsulat ka na lang kay HR?
Walang HR sa case
Tsaka
na
hindi
ito.
ko siya
Correct.
katrabaho.
It's a
yan
friendship.
different.
Friendship.
Friendship.
It's an actual friendship. Okay.
Binulgar lang sa podcast.
Okay. So, ito naman galing kay Lanky Willingness 14.
Oh.
My girlfriend broke up with me. Problem, I'm 27 years old, male, and kaka-break up lang namin ng girlfriend ko. The reason why we broke up is hindi niya daw nakikita ang sarili niya as a mother and magkapamilya. Pero we did the thing, pero nagtaka ko bakit inabot ng 5 years and 8 months bago siya mag-confess. Noong tinanong ko siya, she said that takot daw siya sabihin sa akin kung ano ang magiging reaction ko. Parang nasayang lang kasi sa ganitong edad ang hirap na lumandi. Di ko na din makita na makipag-relationship sa iba. Any advice?
Sorry, this person's 27.
Yeah.
Male. I'm like, that's a child. You're fine.
27. Mahirap ba lumandi at 27?
I know.
First of all,
27.
let's break down the assumptions of this post.
Depende kung anong lifestyle niya at ang kanyang work hours.
And diet.
At mukhang ang ibig sabihin din, parang ang pinagagalingan na ni
Boy.
ni
Lanky.
Lanky ay parang papunta na siya sa forever, parang life companion at 27. I mean, ayokong i-judge siya doon sa choice na
Correct,
yon,
correct.
period. Pero ibig din sabihin, mukhang doon siya nang gagaling
Totoo.
na kaya ang feeling niya yung more than 5 years na relasyon ay quote-unquote sayang. So baka din may pakiramdam siya na ano ba to, parang ito ba ay a generational consideration na maikli ang buhay siya. Hindi ko alam kasi parang gano'n ang parang
Dating.
gano'n ang dating na oo. Or baka pag nandun tayo sa age ba na yon, ang feeling nga natin, quote-unquote, maikli yung buhay. Parang pag tinitingnan ko sa sarili ko noong 27, well, ako nga ang sasabihin ko ay nung 28 years old ako, meron akong nagising ako at sinabi ko sa sarili ko na, shucks, 28 na ako at niiyak lang ako sa lalaking ito. So, kailangan ko pang lumandi dahil 28 na ako. So, kaya ako yun, danas ko yun. So, parang ang feeling ko, ginajudge ko yung, ay, malapit nang mag-30. Ako, baka iba na yung ano ko. Pero, of course, alam natin na, yun na nga. Parang pagdating mo doon, bata pa lang pala yung 35. Bata pala yung 40.
Yes.
Bata pala yung
But can I just say, this pressure of age, I think, I don't know if you'll agree with me, Karen, Aaron, but I think it disproportionately affects women.
Which is why I was like,
Okay.
27
Exactly.
male?
Because it's like, hello, we have biological clock going on, right? So parang, if it's a question of, fertility, having kids, starting a family, which is what 27 lang Kiboy said. Parang, yes, I'm not diminishing his experience na yes, there's pressure na you're close to 30, you need to settle down. But I also feel, think about the girl in this situation also. Na kaya maybe that's why also hindi niya masabi sa kanya. They couldn't even have that conversation whether they were ready for kids or she wanted to start the family because there's so many factors to that.
Alam mo, naisip ko din yan na parang on the side of the girl, baka yun nga nangyari. Kasi 5 years long time yun to be in a relationship na hindi ka sigurado sa simula dun sa tao. But then may mga nangyari sa buhay siguro ni girl na napag-isip niya, nag-decide ako, no, I don't want kids. But yung sa
Kumbaga
guy,
hindi siya, parang baka hindi siya na-realize nung 5
Nung
years
nag-start,
ago.
yes.
Ha?
Because if you
Oo.
compute it, 27 minus 5, 22. You
Exactly.
just graduated.
And yung nga sasabihin ko din, dun sa guy, 22 siya, huling nanligaw, correct? 27 na siya now. So baka kaya nandun yung frustration, ang hirap na lumandi ngayon kasi 5 years ago pa siya. Then I feel, hindi natin alam kung ano yung timeline ng kanyang post. Parang siguro, kailangan na niyang bumalik dun and ma-experience na, exciting nga palang mag-date. Parang kumbaga naglalabas lang siya na, ayoko na. Kasi ang tagal niya in a relationship. But if, for example, nag-effort na siya, maybe he'll find it na, exciting pala to. What do you mean I can talk to other and different people? So baka ganun. So baka pent-up frustration lang na parang, wala na akong alam kasi 5 years ago huhuling nanligaw. What is this?
Pero baka, ako naman, kung ganun yun, edi, come on. Ano ba? Pwede. Oo.
Let's be a friend. And labas tayo.
Labas tayo. I-learn ulit i-relearn natin yung skill.
So you need a legit mentor.
Yun.
Huwag mo na ikahon yung sarili mo.
Yes. Find a different version of yourself.
Yes.
If you need a landi coach,
Ayan.
Ayan na.
hey boy. If you need a landi coach, I am here to make you poach other people in the sea so that you can see. Come on, boy. You still got the moves. You still got a groove. Yeah, boy. My girl Kara here has more landi advice. Can't you see it in her beautiful eyes?
3, 2, 1. Boy, wag ka nang magulo dyan. Wag kang magkulong sa kwarto mo. Naririnig mo ba to? Baka wala to sa tono. Ganyan talaga kapag lumabas ka sa isang mahabang relasyon. Baka harap namin mo na ang different version of yourself. Go have fun. Go have fun.
Go have
Go have fun.
Oh, have
Have
fun.
fun.
fun. Go have
Have
fun.
fun. Have fun.
Ganda na, no? Parang we were singing two completely different
Exactly.
Oo nga eh.
Because they're two completely different,
styles
yes.
of flirt. thing.
Exactly. And people. That's why they're not together
Two kinds of people. Wow.
anymore.
Okay.
Okay.
Ito naman galing kay 57 Anonymous.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
Kasambahay na mahilig manood ng TV. First time namin mag-hire ng stay-in kasambahay. Binigyan namin siya ng routine schedule para sundan niya. Most of the time, wala kami sa bahay, kaya siya lang ang naiiwan. Madalas, pag-check ko sa CCTV, nanonood lang siya ng TV and nasa kwarto niya. Nakakapaglinis naman siya, pero siguro hindi lang deep clean, gaya ng nasa routine schedule. Kaya mabilis niya natatapos ang trabaho. Madalas din pag nire-remind ko, ang sagot is nagawa na niya. Pero napapansin ko, yung mga sulok-sulok may alikabok pa rin. Masunurin naman siya, pero since nasa 20s pa lang, mahilig na Pero since nasa 20s pa lang siya, mahilig mag-cellphone at manood ng TV. How do I address it? Sabi ni husband, hayaan na lang at baka nabobore. Maliit lang din kasi yung bahay so baka mabilis niya matapos ang trabaho. Mula kay 57 Anonymous.
Anonymous.
Anonymous in the house.
Yes.
Alam mo, I would say, as someone who's also particular way of cleaning the kasi Anonymous ay may particular standard din of cleanliness.
At baka hindi sila tugmanong.
Aligned. Like what is deep clean?
Yeah.
Which I think
yan.
can be learned. It is a skill that can be learned. I actually think the extracurriculars aren't really... As a person who went to the office for a really long time, there are times talaga na you've done your work and there's nothing to do.
Yeah.
So I think as long as you're able to do the work, but do it well, extracurriculars shouldn't be so much of a problem. For me.
Ako naman pag parang ang feeling ko magka-wavelength kami ni 57 Anonymous kasi inaano din niya yung ginagaslight na rin niya yung sarili. Dinadoubt na rin yung sarili niya na parang ito yung expectation ko pero baka ako din. Baka judgment ko siya. Parang so I think kailangan lang namin maging clear sa mga sa what we really want. Pero baka as a non-confrontational
Ako
person,
yun.
di ba?
I wouldn't.
Ako din kasi kahit unconfrontational. Pero feeling ko wala namang parang kapag nasa headspace ka naman, pag naihanda mo yung sarili mo sa headspace, ito yung expectation ko kasi pwede namang masabi siguro yun ng
Maayos.
ng maayos. Oo. Kasi kung ganito ang standard niya ng paglilinis at mahalaga yun sa kanya, habang maaga masabi
Correct.
na niya yun.
And sabi naman niya masunurin.
Oo.
So it might be
walang other issue kung hindi TV.
Kasi natatawa, sorry, kasi meron pa siyang, kasi baka bata rin. So parang yung siya rin yung nag-rush, dun yung post niya mismo. Ay, kinikritik ko yung post niya, di ba? Pero mukhang ganun kasi din siya. Parang kaya siya hesitant because 57 Anonymous. Parang inaano niya yung sarili niya. Ano tawag?
She's being careful also.
Oo, pero hesitant. Parang hindi ko rin alam kung ano ang gusto niyang i-exercise na value kaugnay nung managing the kasambahay.
Ako naman may question ako. Just because of the CCTV, ano yung full-time nakabukas lang yung CCTV? Parang there's that sense
That's
of
a valid
surveillance
question.
also. Talagang out of curiosity, hindi ko na alam kung
may mga ganun kami sa households namin.
I mean,
Pero for our pets, ako kasi primarily
Yeah.
for our
Oo,
pets, wala kaming kasambahay.
May CCTV kami sa bahay. Pero parang, to use it against the person.
Yeah,
At
parang
sa akin, parang, kung meron ka palang certain way of cleaning, di, ikaw maglinis. Kung hindi mo kaya, edi, kung hindi mo ma-manage, i-manage mo yung expectations mo. Diba? Yun. Yun lang sa akin. Kung gusto niyang manood, at pwede naman manood, at tapos naman na siya sa trabaho niya, sige. Pero if I were given the choice, sana ikaw na lang maglinis ng sarili mong bahay. Kalat mo yun Ba't may papalinis sa sa ibang tao yung kalat mo.
Tapos yun pala hindi niya binabayaran.
Sana naman. I mean, yun lang. Yun ang aking, hindi siya hot take. Just a take.
Just a simple take.
Just a simple take.
Well, ako naman, hinire para gawin yung task na yun. So, i-set lang din ng expectations kung
Kumbaga, bigyan mo siya ng job description or brief. Alam mo yun?
key result
KPI.
areas.
KPI, North
KPI,
Star. Na-imagine ko tuloy, alam mo yung, you know when sa sports, tapos yung coach, they'll play back kung ano nangyari sa game. Ipe-playback niya kung paano siya naglinis.
Okay, what if we sing about that?
What
Yung
if?
confrontation ni
ni Anonymous.
ni Anonymous at ni Kasambahay.
20-year-old. Oo.
Let's name her.
Sige.
Sige.
Sige. Si Ate Milet.
Okay, Ate Milet.
Ate Milet and si Anonymous. Anonymous na talaga yung
Anonymous.
pangalan.
Ay, yun naman, gano'n naman siya
Ah.
nagpakilala.
Sige.
Correct.
Kapatid ni Mickey. Si Anony.
Ay, teka. Hanap tayo ng medyo mas Ang bilis.
So, sino ka? Sino ka?
Oo, kasi siya naman yung nag-volunteer.
Ganun?
Oo, kami
Ikaw
naman
si
yung nag-volunteer
Anonymous.
yung
Sige, ako na lang si
Format.
Ate Milet.
Ikaw si Ate Milet.
Sa
Hanap tayo ng-
Anonymous.
Yan.
Ikaw si Anonymous.
Sige.
bilang kilala mo siya.
Ay.
Okay
Hirap
dito,
ng
Ariel?
bida.
Okay ka ba dito, Ariel?
Pero game, after Kara, what else is...
Ah,
What else is difficult?
You know,
You gotta break the beat.
because we gotta,
Oh.
like, give inspiration.
Well,
That's a motivation.
You gotta set
Sa
the
motivation.
standard.
Sige na, game.
Ayan. Eh.
Ay.
L to the I to the N-I-S. Sasabihin ko ako ay naiines. Parang kulang ang pagpunas mo sa sulok-sulok. Ang bahay tuloy namin, parang feeling ko nabubulok.
Oh, Ate Anonymous, iniwan mo ako. Iniwan mo sa akin ang trabaho. Hindi mo ba alam na ikaw ang nakatira? Sa bahay na ito ako'y bumibira. Winawalis ang alikabok everyday. Tapos naglalampaso tuwing Friday. Gusto ko manood ng Itbulaga. Mabuti na lang magaling ako mag-alaga.
Oo naman, sa alaga. Walang problema kung gusto mong mag-itbulaga. Pero paminsan-minsan lang kulang sa compassion sa bahay na to na aking passion. Kaya sana naman makita mo na ito ay hindi lang basta kahit na anong trabaho. Gusto kong maging stakeholder ka ng bahay na to dahil ang totoo naman nakatira ka dito.
Nakatira nga ako pero ayoko naman talaga. Kailangan ko lang kasi ng pera. Kung gusto mo, ikaw na lang ang maglinis nang sa gayon hindi ka na iinis.
Kung ganon ang gusto mong setup, okay, fine. Magsaal sa balutan ka na ngayon. Day, kung gusto mo, baunin mo na rin yung merienda nandun sa ref. And that's a def.
Well, kinain ko na kahapon ang merienda habang ikaw naglalakad sa kalsada. Ako kasi talaga ay nagutom. Sa bahay na ito wala kang naitulong.
Han, hala.
Konfrontasyon! Kasama si Anonymous at si Ate Milet.
Word.
Posible yun. Posibleng naging, conversation between
Oo.
them.
Very nice, very
Very
nice.
nice.
Basta tayo ng next na
Sige.
Masaya yung mga imagined scenes, ha?
Yeah.
Ano. Oh, ito, malapit sa atin. Malapit sa atin. Bilang mga
Sa Quezon
artists.
City.
Gano'ng kalapit?
So, this is from Legitimate Swan, 7856. Ang problem niya, how to be creative again. Nag-stop ako at hindi ko alam paano bumalik at i-excel yung creativity ko. Ang goal niya is to make a profit. Ang hirap ng situation ko gawa ng ang daming nangyayari sa akin na sunod-sunod. Gusto ko lang bumalik sa bagay na gusto ko. Sobrang lost ko dahil mas inuuna ko family ko na tinalikuran ako ng paulit-ulit. Gusto ko lang i-discover ang sarili ko ulit. Previous attempt, lahat ng activities ko tinatago ko kahit sinasabi sa akin na mapalihim akong tao. Wala kasing natutuloy na plano pagkasama ko family ko. So, i-breakdown muna natin. Medyo
Relate.
magulo yung-
Ang dami,
Oo.
ang dami.
So,
gusto niya maging creative ulit, pero mukhang inuuna niyang magtrabaho para sa pamilya
Yun na
niya.
Tapos hindi supportive yung family sa anumang self-sustaining endeavors para magawa niya yun.
And yung words niya ay tinatalikuran siya. So what does that mean to her? Diba? Is it the creativity or tao in general, tinatalikuran siya bilang tao?
Hi there, my name is Earl, and I'm the host of Philippine Campfire Stories. After this episode that you're listening to, baka naman gusto mong mag-check ng mga horror stories sa mga folklore and urban legends na nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Mga true horror stories shared in a manner na hindi ka naman matatakot pero ma-entertain ka. Go ahead and check out Philippine Campfire Stories, and we have over 200 episodes just waiting for you. See you there!
Oo, mini.
Tao in general.
pagsisimulan
Tao in
niya.
general.
Yeah. So parang the way I see it, hindi grateful yung...
Oo,
parang ang
oo.
tingin ng magulang niya sa kanya ay, magtrabaho ka kasi kailangan mo ako buhayin.
Yes.
Tigilan mo yung creativity dahil hindi ka niya papakainin at hindi ako
kami
papakainin.
mapapakain.
So,
And even the way it was written when you were reading it, it really was like a cry for help. Parang you can really hear the pain in her voice kahit never ko siya na-meet. Yuck! Naramdaman.
Tsaka hindi rin natin alam kung her. We're just assuming.
Ito na naman. Yeah, them.
Yeah.
Itong person na to din, parang feeling ko sobra niyang, realistic din naman siya. Kaya meron siyang sentiment na gusto niya maging creative ulit, pero gusto niya itong maging profitable. Kasi alam niya na hindi siya alone siguro mapapakain ng creative endeavor niya. That's why kailangan niyang itago kasi yun nga, shame, judgment na yun nakukuha niya. So, parang feeling ko lang grounded naman siya sa reality na baka mas magkakaroon ako ng mas madaming income sa iba, pero kailangan ko rin to pang sustain sa self. So very conflicted, torn feelings.
But you can do it. You can always pursue creativity, and it doesn't have to be your job. Like you just do it for the sole purpose of for yourself. Na it makes you happy. It makes
Assuming
you
may
stable.
time siya.
yeah.
Kasi nga kung parang kailangan niyang magtrabaho dahil inaasahan na maging breadwinner siya ng... I think it's a very quintessential, para sa akin,
totoo naman.
parang quintessential Filipino
Dilemma.
na lang mga anak. Tapos tinuruan pa tayo ng isang kultura na dapat na may utang na loob tayo sa magulang natin.
Forever.
Yeah.
Rather than seeing it as, tungkulin naman din ng magulang na mag-alaga ng anak at may choice yung anak kung paano yun susukli. So I mean, kaya ko yun sinasabi kasi minsan hindi din natin question yung mismong culture na yun that can also be hindi siya sustainable kung hindi mo siya napoproseso para sa sarili mo.
Totoo.
And I think, ako naman,
Diba?
it's also about, since you know na kung yung problema ay time, you make time for it. And parang, I know, again, this is one of those easier said than done. Pero in my experience, for example, pumunta ako ng Pilipinas, alam ko 1 month lang ako dito. Alam ko marami akong obligations na kailangan i-fulfill with family, friends, and everything. But I said, I wanted to pursue creative activities also. So, syempre, I made time na, no, this is my block of time for spit. And nag-enroll ako ng voice lesson.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Worth it.
I'm so
Grabe
happy
yun.
for you. Oo.
Parang, at pati si Teacher Pao. Yeah, si Teacher Pao. Parang she's like, I can't believe you came to the Philippines. Tapos, ang inatupag mo dito ay mag-voice lessons. Kasi, yun talaga yun eh. Parang if you carve out the time, you make time, and you give yourself that space. And ako talaga, I really look at it as I'm giving myself this 1 hour, 2 hour session for myself to pursue creativity just for fun. Hindi ko naman balak maging singer. Diba? Parang gusto ko lang, parang na-enjoy ko lang talaga siya.
So, to that person, kahit tinatalikuran ka, siguro literal, we see you.
Yes.
Oo,
we hear you. We
Hear
read
you.
you.
Oo.
Yes.
Sana, kasi ang inaalala ko din baka hindi niya nakikita yung sarili niya, Ana, kasing empowered na maghanap ng oras for themselves eh.
We see you.
So, kaya kultura yung yung tinira ko kasi
Totoo
parang
naman.
feeling
True,
ko,
yeah.
Totoo
That the
naman.
burden's not on them.
Oo, baka mamaya baka kaya feeling
pwede-
din niya wala siyang oras
Yeah.
kasi nga na-ingrain sa kanya na dapat niyang unahin yung pamilya niya bago ang sarili niya. Oo.
Or start small. 5 minutes a day,
Yeah.
then 10, then 12. Tas
One
yung
drawing a day.
Yeah,
Tsaka, di ba? Parang ganun, one creative
Oo.
act a day.
Totoo naman.
Yeah. Oo. So,
Anong
kung
iaalay natin sa kanya?
ang iaalay natin sa kanya ay, magkanya-kanya tayo ng
Na verso.
verso.
sige.
Oo,
Gagawa tayong chorus.
Gawa tayong call.
sige.
Ayun.
Sige,
Yes,
sige,
yun nga ang
sige,
naisip
sige,
ko
sige.
rin. Si,
Teka lang. Hanap tayo ng...
someone, ulit ang pangalan niya? Naalala ba ninyo?
Hindi.
Ay,
Lang,
teka.
hindi siya si
Hindi
Lang.
si Lang.
Si Lang.
Si
Siya
ano?
Swan. Lucky
Si
Swan.
producer. Anong...
Lucky
75
Si producer.
58, 60.
Ito.
Swan.
Gusto ko, oo.
Legitimate Swan.
Ayan,
Legitimate
Legitimate
Swan.
Swan.
Legitimate
Oh, napakaganda ng
Swan.
pangalan niya.
Yeah.
No?
Ano
Ng
kaya ang
kanyang
art niya
handle.
doon?
Hindi ba generated lang
Or
yun by
ballet.
Reddit?
Ballet.
Kasi as Black Swan. Gusto niya gumawa.
Pwede mo palitan.
Anong gusto niyong...
Legit.
Hey,
Legit.
You're
Legit.
Your wants are legit.
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 Open your wings, yo. Open your wings. You can create. You deserve to sing.
Hey.
Open your wings.
Open your wings.
So, open your wings. You deserve to sing.
Legit.
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 Naalala niyo ba yung kwento noon? Yung ugly duckling, kung ano siya ngayon. Siya ay swan. She's the one. Pero ang dami niyang pinaghirapan. Ayan, kung ugly duckling na ang turing mo sa sarili, siguro kailangan mong humiga muna at mag-isip pa para makuha mo ang gusto niya. Aha.
Legit.
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 Para sa'yo, makinig ka sa akin. Girl, boy, them there, I see you now. Alam mo yan, just keep reaching for your dreams, cause you know what else going to happen when you see yourself 10 years from now. All that effort, all that time, all that resources, makikita mo nasa isang pool na sila, and makikita mo yourself ibang person na.
Legit.
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 Your wants are legit. Your feelings legit. You are
Legit.
Yourself
Legit.
Whatever you want, you can work hard for. That's because the past is before. Today you can start a new routine.
That's right.
Creativity in legit.
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 Legit. Eh.
Ako na muna ang magpapayo. Well, hindi naman payo pero sasabihin ko. Baka naman pwede kang maghanap ng oras na ito ay para sa iyong pagwawaldas. Ang sarili mo ang piliin pati pagkamalikhain. Draw, sing, dance, sing, chat, poem, chat, sing, mag-create ng buhay mo ay tumaas ang rate.
Legit.
Legit. Legit.
Legit.
Here is Shark's Fin.
Kung gusto mo talagang yumaman, iwan mo ang pamilya mo dyan sa daan. Makikita nila kung gaano ka-importante ang presence mo in their life ay mababakante. Hindi nila alam na ikaw nagpapakain, kaya ngayon sila ay iyong gugutumin. Kung gusto mo maging starving artist, sila naman magiging starving family. Legit!
Legit.
Legit.
Legit. Legit to quit.
Legit.
Legit.
Break it down.
Ganda.
Akala ko yung open your wings yung chorus. Yung legit pala yung chorus.
Hindi namin naalala eh.
Oo.
At natawa lang ako na yung open your wings mo, may accent ka.
Talaga?
Open your wings.
Open your wings.
Talaga?
Open your wings and ano yun?
You
Fly.
can sing?
And you
Fly
can fly.
and sing.
Fly.
Open your wings.
Hindi ko alam But thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, ito naman.
Thank you.
Ay, may
Wala.
itang oras pa
Meron,
tayo.
Eh, mula kay Halo Lumiere.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Hello.
When is main character energy a bad thing? So, ang problem niya ay main character syndrome. Personally, I think people with main character energy, are just confident, mature people that are secure with themselves. Especially if certain individuals don't mind sharing the spotlight themselves. Now, my question is, kailan ito nagiging masama? How do you differentiate a secure person from someone that's an attention seeker? Or do we just perceive an individual as main character simply because we are insecure of ourselves?
That's a really
Ang
good
ganda.
question.
Yeah, that's a good question.
I like that question a lot.
Yeah.
I think it becomes a bad thing kapag naaabala na yung ibang tao sa
Ganda.
energy mo. It's not that they're getting turned off, but you're actually taking up so much space that it doesn't leave room for anybody else to take up any space.
And drains the
And
energy.
drains
Ay, isa pa yun.
Yeah.
So you take up and take the space of others.
Of others.
You eat up.
You eat up. You take up and you eat up.
Kasi energy is neither created nor destroyed.
Yes.
It is transferred.
Yes,
Kaya
it only
kaya-
changes
yeah.
form.
where
Law of
this-
conservation of
Oo.
energy.
Physics.
Yes.
Physics ba yun? Physics.
Oo.
Kaya mag-science.
Tama naman.
Pero tama.
Oo, kasi where
Ganda.
does it come from? Your main character energy. Kinukuha mo rin yun sa others. So ako, that's where I draw the line rin, yung lack of self-awareness. Other than what the poster said na, original poster ba tawag doon? OP.
OP.
Yeah.
OP.
Oo, na about confidence and maturity. To me, it's also self-awareness. Na parang, can you not see that people around you are getting tired?
Yes. Yeah, awareness.
Yeah, I agree. Kasi, ang ano naman ni OP is, when does it become a bad thing, di ba? Yung main character.
Yun ang tanong niya.
Correct. Kasi iba din yung proseso to becoming the main character sa sarili mong buhay. Kasi some people, they don't consider themselves as the main character.
In their own life.
In their own lives.
Yes.
Exactly. Ang feeling nila, I'm a support. Parang ganon, you know what? So yung process going to the main character sa sarili mo, iba din yon. But then, I think aware naman nga si OP number 1. So, kaya naging aware din siya na, bakit sobra ba? I feel, same din naman actually sa intention and reading the room. Lalo when you're in a group setting, work, creative endeavor, etc. Even sa transportation na nga lang eh. You know what I mean? Like parang whenever you're in a group, parang read the room kasi pwede ka rin naman maging main character. Iba lang yung...
Ang wish ko
ano
nga
mo.
ay parang sana sa sarili mong buhay ay ikaw yung main character.
Yes.
Pero wag kang maging main character sa buhay ng
Ibang
iba.
tao.
Oo,
But
parang-
that's so nice, di ba? Sana sa buhay mo, ikaw ang main character.
Yes.
Swan! This is for you.
Yes.
Di ba?
Another song. Sana sa buhay
And I
mo.
think ito yung i-quote ko si Papu by sa yung kaya improv can save the world.
Yes.
Parang feeling ko kasi feeling ko sa lalo na siguro the way we have swerte ako kasi tayo nga sa spit ay napapractice din natin kung ano yung nagagawa natin sa stage even outside siguro even off stage. Spit yung yung pag-i-improv yung nagturo sa akin na na malaman kung kailan ka magte-take up ng space at pag-make ng space without necessarily eating up too much space. Number one, because you make space for others. Para hindi ka nakaka-drain, hopefully, ng
Tsaka
energy.
yung sinabi ni Kara about being a support character, why do we also think that being a support character is less than
Yeah.
being the main
Ganda.
character? Diba? Pwede ka naman, being a support character is a good thing, is a character in itself, and you can shine. Shine bright like a support.
Yes. Oo, pero totoo. Yes. Oo.
There are no small roles.
Roles.
Yes.
All the world's a stage.
Yes.
Wow. Oo, lahat ng pinagsama-sama.
Energy is neither created.
Nor destroyed.
And as a main character, even if you're a main character, you're not the only character. So you have to see the other characters.
Diba? May
Yes.
narrator.
Oo. May narrator, may all of the above.
May sound effects. May
Ah,
protagonist, antagonist.
although yung self-awareness ay proseso din yun. Hindi yun nangyayari overnight. Oo. I mean, I think yun ang gusto kong idagdag. Kasi dahil nga napapractice natin siya lagi. 'Di ba? Both as players on stage, napapractice din natin siya, I guess, kahit hindi tayo nagpa-perform.
So we're gonna make a song about the steps to self-awareness.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I love
Sa
that.
ating closing advice.
Here
we go.
Ating sambayanan.
One, I make the
Kung
dream come true.
hindi man steps, parang, baka hindi siya step 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
It's not
Tama ba?
linear. Like, it can be
ito,
cyclical.
Pwede ba?
Ganon.
Or a constellation.
Hanap tayo na
Hindi, tinatanong ko. Mas
ewan.
tinatanong ko. Is it a step?
A message of self-awareness. Ganyan.
How to.
Oo, ganyan. Best practices, ganyan. Good practices. Haba.
This song's called Good Practices
Practices
of Self-Awareness. Ito, libro. Kanta nga eh.
Thesis song.
Ito may hypothesis.
Tawang-tawa to.
How do we get to self-aware? 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 How do we get to self-awareness? How do we get to self-aware? How do we get to self-aware?
How?
Yun ang chorus.
Ayun.
How?
First, it starts by reading the room. Reading the room by listening. Read the room and take your broom. Make sure walang alikabok sa sulok. Dahil magagalit si Anonymous kung may dumi sa house. So, read the room by listening. Ano ba ang gusto ni Anonymous sa house?
How do we get to self-aware?
How do we get to self-aware?
How do we get to self-aware? How do we get to self-aware?
How?
How? How? Now the step to self-awareness is is to check in with yourself. Hey, how are you doing? After you check in with yourself, you check in with others. Hey, Ariel, Aaron, Happy Papu, how are you? When they say they're not feeling as good as bad, you say, hey, I know what's up. I'm gonna get the bank of my self-awareness. And then I'm gonna say, you know what? I'll support you as a friend. And then the main focus now of your character is not yourself, but the others. And when you form that kind of energy that's good, you all become a diamond that is really good.
How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware?
How do you get to self-aware?
Step 3, if you listen to me, you're gonna hear me say that it's okay to play. So first of all, look within and get to know yourself so that you can put your interests on the shelf. And then the next step to that is to care a little more about the people around you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you will remember you're alive as long as you have care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey,
how do you get to self-aware?
How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware?
How do you get to self-aware?
Paminsan-minsan maging bida-bida sa sarili mong buhay. Ikaw ang bida sa sariling buhay. Celebrate your wins. Hay naku, day. Pero isama mo sa wins mo ang sarili at iba para lumawak ang mundo mo, diba? Ang self-awareness din ay kapartner ng other awareness sa paligid mo. Kaya sagsabayin ang pagbida-bida ng sarili mo at pagbida ng iba. Yeah.
How do you get to self-aware?
How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware?
Pag walang ibang marinig na boses, mga tao sa'yo lahat maiinis. Siguro pwede rin naman iba ang marinig. Mas maraming matutunan kung ika'y nakikinig. So, mga tao around you are great, pero ikaw din naman ay great. So kung great kayong lahat, deserve nyo spotlight.
Ay.
And everybody is gonna be alright. Okay.
How do you get to self-aware?
How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware? How do you get to self-aware?
And this has been another episode
Of
Tawalet.
Tawalet.
With Spit. Ako po, si... Hindi kasi huli ko si Master. Huli ko si Master.
Master P.
Yes, so ako po si Ariel.
Aaron.
Cara.
Happy.
Ako naman si Papu. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig. Marami pang episodes, kaya makinig lang kayo. Follow, subscribe, comment, share, tell your friends about it. At kami ang Tawa Let's
With Spit.
Spit Manila.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.